Are you in the manufacturing industry and struggling about what to post on LinkedIn or don't know why you should even be on there? For this Waves Wednesday, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use LinkedIn for your business, specifically targeting the B2B industries. I'm Marie from Waves Digital Canada, and we're here every Wednesday with tips to help you grow your business. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. When you use LinkedIn to its full potential, your connections actually become sales. So what are the LinkedIn strategies that you need to adopt in order to see those changes? We'll talk about that today. Search engine versus social media platform. This is the most important distinction when creating a marketing plan that's going to churn in leads. A search engine is something like Google, YouTube, Pinterest, often confused for social media platforms. A search engine is going to bring leads in the door. Social media platforms are something that will nurture leads as they come in. If you play by the rules, you'll rank well, and it's a little bit less ad invasive. Social media, on the other hand, is really advertising heavy, and social media is almost like an afterthought. It's something that reminds the people who already like you that you're still creating new content and you're coming out with new products. Rule number 2 is complete your page and complete your personal profile. There's nothing worse than coming to an incomplete profile or a page that never posts. So be sure to claim that URL. Be sure to update your about section. Be sure to update your summary. Be sure to continuously update your followers on what's going on in your business and in your personal life. LinkedIn offers showcase pages for companies that have a wide range of products or services that they would like to segment in more specific niches. So what you do is you go to your company page and someone finds a specific service, then they click that and they find everything they need to know on that service, and you can target your content towards them, and you can target your audiences towards them, you can target your ads towards them. It's really, really successful for companies that have different brand initiatives. A massive part of LinkedIn and any social media platform is to get really high engagement. So LinkedIn should be a team effort. You should be getting your employees involved. You should be having your employees liking and commenting and sharing your posts and other posts in the industry, making them brand evangelists. And then eventually what you want to happen is you want their connections to be asking them the questions and have them fielding all of these potential leads. Number 5 is publishing valuable content. You shouldn't be posting on LinkedIn if there's nowhere for you to drive users. So what you want to start with is really, really great content being created on your website. This is where you will link on LinkedIn back to. Okay, this is where the leads are captured. So you want your forms, you want your signups, what have you, to be ready to go on your website first, once each weekday. That doesn't mean you have to be creating content every day. It just means that you have to be posting links back to your website, company updates, even articles from in the industry that aren't written by your team. Because what that shows is that you're offering content further than just self-promotion. You actually care about the industry that you're in. Now let's talk about video. Text-only posts on LinkedIn are not the way to go. Native video is growing on social media, but LinkedIn specifically allows you to link to your YouTube channel and have it automatically play, which is different than all of the other social media channels. Start incorporating videos on a weekly basis. They can be informational like this that are actually on a tripod and on a professional camera, or they can just be simple live updates on your phone of you walking around the office and checking in with your employees. At Waves Digital, we want to give you a free LinkedIn post that's customized for your business. So just join our mailing list here and we'll be back in touch with you within 24 hours. Lastly, I want you to seek connections. Try to add someone new each day, someone from an industry or a company that you want to do business with. Every connection is a potential customer for you and a new set of eyeballs on your website. We all know a business owner who doesn't have time to think about their digital marketing, so go ahead and share this video with them. People do business with people they like and people they trust. LinkedIn is a great way to build both of those things. There's new content coming out, so stay on top of it and subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and view the resources in the description below. We'll see you next week.